This is where I slept last night. That's my bed. That's my neighbor down there. As soon as he fell asleep, like as soon as he fell asleep, snoring like a rusty chainsaw. Oh, so loud. And it didn't stop. It was just constant snoring. The only way I could fix it was by putting a history podcast. There's a guy, Dan Carlin, great podcast. When you want to stay awake, it's very educational, but when you want to sleep, his voice is very soothing. So he'll talk about things in a very, you know, soothing way. And I put it full blast. So my history podcast was pouring into my ear all night. I got a little bit of sleep. Enough. Anyways, let's go check out the castle. Well, it's been raining like this all day. I've been sitting here in Starbucks editing videos. Finished the keto one. Thought it came out pretty good. But I haven't been to the castle yet. There's a big outdoor courtyard there, and if I can't go outside, it's kind of lame. I don't know. I'll see if I can go over there and explore a little bit, but I'm gonna get soaked. Well, it looks like that's the best we're gonna get. It's pouring rain. I'm sheltering my camera with my hand. Hopefully it's not getting too wet. But yeah, that's the Himeji Castle. Maybe tomorrow before I go I can get a little morning glimpse at it. But yeah, it's just gloomy and rainy and miserable. So I'm gonna go to the hostel and keep editing vlogs. Use my time wisely. See ya. Alright guys, the last guest house that I stayed at, they couldn't book me for 2 nights, so I'm switching. This is the new place. Engakodo. Had some good reviews. It was very simple. Japanese style. Hello. What are you playing?
Sanshin.
Sanshin. No.
You know Okinawa?
Yeah.
Okinawa's typical in South.
Oh, yeah? Where is it?
Oh. Over there.
Oh, okay.
You want to look?
Sure. Oh, okay.
Yeah, 3 strings, so name is Sanshin.
Okay.
Snake skin.
Yeah. I played the erhu. You know erhu?
Yeah, I don't know.
Erhu is the Chinese violin. Yeah, it's very similar. Snake skin and 2 strings.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so today's vlog is super short. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm going to bed in my little bunk bed with all my buddies. What up? So take it easy. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Jayoe. On the road. 95 kilometers tomorrow. Getting up early. Or so I say.